This is I Make Beats. Welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna review the FiFine K678 USB microphone. So stick with me. My good friends at FiFine, they reached back out and sent me the K678 USB microphone. I have to honestly say the packaging is really nice. They really took the time and added the details to the box. Everything is secured very nicely, and surprisingly this microphone is not light. It has a very hefty feel to it. It's solid. The frame as well as the microphone both are a solid metal, and I have to say it's very impressive. So let's go ahead and get this microphone connected and let's test out the quality of the microphone. All right, so now you are hearing me on the FiFine K678 USB microphone. We're going to talk a little bit about this mic. As you can see, it is a metal casing or chassis. The stand is even metal. It has a nice weight to it. It is a streamlined setup. The USB output enables direct integration with a desktop or laptop computer. Condenser mic combines professional quality sound, captures with the ease of plug and play, USB connectivity on both PC and laptop, offering simple operability and high quality audio capture for podcasts, YouTubers, vloggers, gamers, and voiceover artists in home, project studios, and the like. You can even use this for, it says it's compatible with the Xbox, the phones, and iPads. So I honestly think that the quality of this microphone, it's very crisp. There's not a very loud noise floor at all. So I don't really hear, maybe you do, but I don't in my headphones. I don't hear any ambient sound in the background. I am holding it in my hand approximately maybe 3 inches from my mouth without a windscreen on the mic. So again, I think that this is an excellent mic. FiFine, you guys once again have created a very high quality product at a low price for $59.99 on Amazon. Well, as you can see, not a bad microphone for the price point. You really can't beat the quality. So if you're looking for a solid microphone for vlogging, podcast, voiceovers, what have you, leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. If you haven't already, like, share, subscribe. If you decide this is the right one for you, check the description. There will be a link. Until next time, this is I Make Beats.